Bye, women. Bye, or wait, no, who's leaving? Black Hole Flare. Bye, Black Hole Flare. Let's see, use start the F with the capital too. Okay. Who was that cutie bear girl that was here? Who was just called Cutie Bear? Cutie Bear. Who else is here? Super Mario Linux is here. Who else? Who else is here? Where's my chat list? Sindar Quill was watching for a little minute there, so we will add him. Sand. Do I not have an underscore? There it is. R. Cool. Oh shit, somebody subscribed. Thank you, Super Mario Linux, or not subscribe, following, but thank you for following and also reminding me my scene set up for the follow icon thing is not very cool. I'll make that a lot smaller. Claeris Senpai noticed you. That's true. Oh, Daisy Meister's here. The Daisy Meister. The Dayster. Daisy Maestro. I have a character in one of my stories named Daisy. Daisy Darren. It's not meant to be an alliteration thing. Hey Viridian, how you doing? Since you tuned in, you get added to the list too, whether you like it or not. D N 470. On the road to the Viridian City, got the badge and the power to play. On the road to the Viridian City. Cutie Bear 86, that's her name. Okay, Cutie Bear 86. Yeah, you're getting added to a list. Superman 12 is watching, so is Pandemic. It's like pandemic, but with an A, it's like panda. So let's do Pandemic. Oh, it's Pandemic, I'm stupid, sorry, I misread that entirely. Magic. Superman 12. Is Superman 12 actually super? Or is he 12? That is the question, isn't it? Superman underscore 1. Oh, 0, 1, 2. Sorry, my bad. 0, 1, 2. So my left already got you, and the last one is Tides Royale. Streamers made that joke counter 198. What joke was that in particular? The Viridian City joke? It's like the best song on the album. How can you not like Viridian City? Hello. Okay, so I got Black Hole Flare, I got Cyndaquil, Let's Fire, Ben, who I might as well just call Savage Boredom since I'm doing everyone else by their name. I don't remember what Chris's name was on Twitch, though. Damn. What was Chris's name? I have to scroll up now, so I don't remember it. Oh, Kirk was watching. I can add Kirk. Oh, that's the problem. That's okay. I was like, why is it doing that? It's weird. He was watching. So was Clipler. He tuned in. Oops. What was Chris's? Oh yeah, the one I can't fucking see because it's dark blue. That's right. I have to like lean down. It was Lear X Adriate. Okay. Oh, and Mr. Coconut was here too. God, I've got so many people who watched tonight. Thank you all. I like it when people tune in. Makes it all worth it. Mr. Oh, it's an underscore, sorry. It's all capitals too, sorry. Oh boy, it's capital C, 0, C, 0, M, lowercase c, capital T. Or no, it's lowercase t as well. Okay. Twitter. TARDIS Art Online tuned in. Oops. Why am I doing this already? TARDIS Art Online. Okay, back down, all the way down, scroll down. Okay, try playing Quiplash. That actually does sound kind of interesting. Maybe I'll do that someday. I'm kind of broke, so I don't really do that kind of thing. Like requests, because I usually can't afford to do it, so... Damn. All these people. Oh, it's really nice of everyone to tune in. If I missed anyone, I'm gonna feel so bad, but I looked at the user list and I looked at the chat log, and I think I got everyone. So, if I missed anyone, I do apologize. Wait, what's today's date? 7/18. 7 dash 18 dash 20 15. There's a slashy slash. There it is. Alright. Yeah, and NES games are the reason to play this one. There's a lot of other stuff, but that's the main reason everyone plays this one. So yeah, we made a journal entry. And everyone who watched, I hope I got everyone, got to see it. That was fun. So, kind of done with Animal Crossing for the night, but the GameCube is still hooked up. I can still go for another hour or two. What game should I play next? We can do some Metroid Primals, or we can do Stairfax Temperatures. Well, that'd be great. Oh hey, thank you for following. I love the little fucking GIF. God, that's cute. I love it. Poor Pinkie Pie. Okay, so what's next? Nice. You give up because you're lazy, but hey, at least you tried. Super Mario Kart. Hi, Pikmin Master. First of all, Super Mario Kart is